What is up, YouTube? Twisted Gaming here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing video and a setup tutorial for the HD60s Plus capture card. So yeah, this is the one I was using before. That was the Game Capture HD, but I've upgraded to a new Xbox, which means I have to upgrade capture cards because this one doesn't support the new Xbox nor the new PlayStation. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so to get this open, we just have to cut the sides here, which I've already done. Flip this up. And then we gotta slide this box out. Once you do that, open this, and we have the capture card. And then the two cables that it comes with, which is you have the HDMI cable here, which will go from the TV into the capture card. And then we have the USB cable, which will be going from the capture card into the PC. And there's also some instructions right here, which will tell you how to do that. It's pretty simple. It's actually really simple. And I'm gonna be showing you anyway, so yeah. Let's get into it. Alright, so to start, you want to take the HDMI cord that comes with the Elgato and hook it up from the back of your TV, which we will be doing, into your capture card, and you want to plug it into the side of the capture card that says out. So from the back of your TV to the out port. So let's do that now. And then, whichever console you're using should come with its own HDMI cord, which for me is right here. And you want to take that HDMI cord from the console into the in port. So let's do that. There we go. And once that's done, the last cord that you have to plug in is the USB. So take that, plug it right next to the Xbox. Alright, so this is what the finished product should look like. It's pretty simple. This cord is going into the TV. This one is coming from the Xbox or PlayStation, whatever you're using. And then this one is going into the PC. And once you plug that in, it should light up like that, and that's how you know that it's plugged in correctly. And that's really all there is to it. So now you want to go to the internet for the software, and basically you just want to type in Elgato. Just go to their website, and this is what their website looks like. And what I do to download the software is I go to Stream Deck and then go over to software and click that, and it's going to take you to this screen. And you want to click select your product and scroll down to whichever one it is that you have. For me, it's the HD60s Plus. I'm going to click that, and this is the software that you want to download, the 4K capture utility. So I'm going to click download. It's going to make you apply for the emails. I'm just going to X that out because I already subscribed to it. And then you want to open the file. It's going to download. You want to open the file, and this is what pops up. Click next. Read the user license agreement and accept it, and click next. And then click next again. You can change this if you want. I'm just going to leave it how it is. And click next, and then click install. Yes. And it's basically going to start installing the software into your computer. Finish. Alright, so once you're finished with the installation process, you're pretty much complete. All you have to do from there is go back to your dashboard, and you should see the software right there on your screen. If you double click that, it should be connected to your console. Whatever you're playing should just pop up right on the screen. And there it is. There There you go. So if this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe if you're not already. That would help a lot. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.